Hi guys, and welcome back to Coding Club. This is lesson 3, and today we're going to be talking about something called a boolean, or booleans. So, do you guys know what a boolean is? No? Okay. A boolean is an if statement, an on or an off, a yes or a no. So, like a light switch. You can have a light switch on, or you can have a light switch off. You can't have it in the middle. So, we use booleans a lot in programming, and booleans can be used over in the scripts. So if I say, for example, if I go over to control, I can click on this block, or this one. I'm going to say this one. So I can say, if the space key is pressed, move 10 steps forwards. Otherwise, move 10 steps backwards. So I'll say that, and I'll say, does that make sense? So if the space key is pressed, then move 10 steps forward. So if I press the space key and click on there, then it moves 10 steps forward. Otherwise, it moves 10 steps backwards. So my challenge for you guys today is to use this kind of a statement, a Boolean statement, to make your own movie. So if a color touches this, if the space key is pressed, to advance something through the scenes of a movie. It can be like 5 frames long. It doesn't have to be major. But what I also want to show you guys today is nope, sorry, wrong thing. Give me 1 second. What we like to call binary. So binary is a programming language full of ones and zeros. So in any language, you can have different spaces for different numbers. I'm just going to work with 4 today, because that'll be easiest. So the spaces for the numbering system that we normally use, well, that's called decimal. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Well, binary only uses ones and zeros, but you can still use it to make as many numbers as you can in the decimal system. So the way it works is, let's say I have the number 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Well, that number will equal 1 in our decimal numbering system. And if I go in and enter 0, 0, 1, 0, that's going to equal 2. So 0, 0, 1, 1 equals 3. Does that kind of make sense to you guys? So the way I'm doing this is each number in the binary system is based on a multiple of 2. So, for example, 1, this first place here, is 2 to the 0 power. So, if I go over here and I say this is 2 raised to the 0 power. this one would be 2 raised to the first power. 2 raised to the second power. And then this one would be 2 raised to the third power. Does that make sense? Kind of. So if I wanted to go over here and make 4, let me edit it. I would do 0, 1, 0, 0, and that equals 4. So can you guys kind of figure this out from here? I'll give you a couple hints. So 2 to the third power is 8. 2 to the second power is 4. 2 to the first power is 2. And 2 to the 0 power is 1. So when you put a number in one of these spaces, that is multiplied by this number. So, for example, I have a 1 in the last place in the ones digit. So 1 times 1 is 1. If I have a 1 here, like I do for 2, 1 times 2 is 2. But if I get down to here and I have 2 different places, I have 1 times 2 plus 1 times 1, which equals 3. Make sense? Awesome. So I already gave you guys the challenge for today, and that's to make your own movie using Boolean statements. Okay? Have fun and enjoy the challenge, guys.